morning, friends. I'm here for another art material review. This one is about the Faber-Castell colored pencils, and I have this box. It's a very beautiful metallic box of 36 colors. They're the traditional ones, they're non-water soluble. And I'm gonna compare those to two little boxes of the same brand and line, which is the Eco Pencil line. So I have this little box of 12 colors. It comes with a little sharpener. To this one, which is also the classic line, just regular pencils of the Eco Pencil line. And this one it has two ends on one pencil. So let's start with this box. Let's open it. As you can tell, they're very beautiful colors. I love that it comes with like a gold and silver. I'm gonna put this there. I'm gonna be testing them for you. So, first of all, I think I'm just gonna have the primary colors. And later on I will compare them with the same colors of the other little boxes, same brand. So first of all, these pencils, they are wood based and they are from the line Classic Color, Faber-Castell, and they have the reference of the color here. And they have this shape, hexagonal, which is my favorite shape for color pencils. So let's test this out. So I see the blue. I'm putting a little bit of force here, and it's not a very soft pencil, it's more like a hard pencil, but it's very precise. And I want to see, I see it's very smooth, it doesn't leave little patches of color, which is good. But I want to see if I don't apply a lot of pressure. mix well with the yellow one. And the yellow one is also quite hard, but they're pigmented. I can tell them mix very well and they create nice colors. When you mix them, you obtain a very beautiful green. And now I'm gonna test the red, which is a little bit softer, very pigmented. Gonna do the same thing. Mix it with the yellow. And it creates a very beautiful orange. Now I'm gonna test with this navy blue. I'm gonna test this white to see if it smooths the color. First of all, that's the color, and it's quite smooth, this one. And then it's okay. I didn't find it smooths the color out too much. What do you think? But I'm gonna do another test. I want to see if it transfers the color. And it does here. A little bit. Which is good. Now I'm gonna open this little box here of 12 colors. These are the colors. I think this one is. So I'm gonna take the same colors, and you can tell there is a difference. Like the classic color is slightly bigger. It's a little bit fatter. But they look the same shade. So this one was the classic color. This one's the little box can tell there is a difference. It is much smoother and more pigmented than the classic color. And then I'm gonna do the test. Oh, very smooth, much smoother and pigmented. They mix pretty well, but I think the color is smoother here than here. The last one, this one's the red. It's extremely smooth and pigmented. Much smoother. And it gives a very beautiful orange, very similar. I don't have a white in this box, but I have a navy blue, so I'm gonna compare them. Okay, so instantly this one feels much harder than the classic color and less pigmented and more waxy and kinda lighter too. I didn't really like this one, it's really hard. Last thing I want to do is do a test on this gold and silver of the classic color. And you can tell the tips are glittery, not only metallic. So really smooth. Very smooth. Look at how they shine. They're so glittery, they shine so much. They're glittery and metallic. And in the little box of 12, it comes with a metallic silver. It also shows a little tiny bit of glitter on the tip. Very smooth, even smoother. And this one shows a very metallic end, but no glitter. Almost no glitter at all. Actually, not at all. So they're just very different. I don't know if you can tell on camera. And last one I'm gonna test pencils that are 24 colors because there's 2 colors in one pencil. And these are the colors. There's the silver and they're just from the same brand and line. But they have this round shape that I personally don't enjoy that much, but I wanted to test them. So I'm gonna take the yellow and the blue and the red and see how they are compared to these 2 lines of colors. I'm gonna start with the blue. They're hard like these ones, but I don't know if they're more pigmented or it's just a different blue. The yellow, and it's made in Brazil. Same thing, just as hard as these ones, but very pigmented.